0xc00034, your PC won't start. Here's how to repair it in a few minutes. You're stuck on a blue screen that says the boot configuration data file is missing some required information. It shows file /bcd error code 0xc034. Maybe it happened after an update, a crash, or out of nowhere. This is it. I've rebuilt corrupted boot files on hundreds of machines, personal and enterprise. You'll need a second working computer and a USB drive, at least 8 gigabytes. On the working PC, go to microsoft.com/software-download/Windows 11. Scroll down, click Download Now for Create Windows 11 Installation Media. Open the Media Creation tool, click Yes, then Accept. Next, select your USB from the list. Everything on that USB will be wiped. Save anything important first. When it finishes, take the USB to the broken PC and plug it in. Power on and immediately start tapping your BIOS key, usually F2, F12, delete, or escape. Every motherboard looks different, but find the boot order settings. Move the USB to the top of the list, then press F10 to save and exit. The Windows installer will load. Choose your language, click Next. Do not click Install. Bottom left, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, then Command Prompt. It opens on the X drive, that's temporary, not your real drive. You need to find your actual Windows drive letter first. Type disk part, then list volume. Find the biggest NTFS volume. The letter might be C, D, or E. Type exit. Now run these commands one at a time. bootrec/scanos, bootrec/fixmbr, bootrec/fixboot, bootrec/rebuildbcd. If fixboot comes back with access is denied, that's normal on some systems. Type bootsect/nt60sys, then run rebuildbcd again. When rebuildbcd asks, add installation to boot list, type Y. If it finds two entries on the one that says windows.old, type N for the old one, Y for the one that just says /Windows. If you see the requested system device cannot be found after typing Y, that means the UEFI partition doesn't have a drive letter assigned. Go back into disk part, type list volume, find the small FAT32 volume, usually around 100 to 500 megabytes, type select space volume and the number, then assign letter equal B. Type exit. Now run bcdboot c:/windows /s b/f space UEFI. Substitute your actual Windows drive letter if it wasn't C. Type exit, click continue, and pull the USB out as it restarts. If you see the normal login screen and your files are all there, you just fixed it yourself. Subscribe so the next person finds this too. If it's still stuck, boot back in the command prompt from the USB, run sfc/scannow, then chkdsk, your drive letter /r. Chkdsk can take 30 minutes or longer, let it finish completely. If rebuildbcd showed 0 installations found, your disk might be MBR on a UEFI system. Search convert MBR to GPT without data loss and fix that first. Last resort is a clean install if the partition itself is corrupted. Drop a comment if it's still not working. I'll help you out.